you how to add home screen shortcuts on TikTok. This is a great way to skip the extra steps and get straight into the app or even a specific TikTok profile. First things first, make sure you have the TikTok app installed on your phone. Open the app. Now,
Evelyn's bedazzling.
navigate to the video, profile, or content you want to create a shortcut for. Now, to create a shortcut for a TikTok profile or video, follow these steps. So, you want a shortcut to your friend's profile or a viral video. Once you found it, tap the three dots or the share button. Now, if you're on iPhone, you can easily add the shortcut from the share menu. Scroll through the option in the share menu and select add to home screen. You'll see a preview of the shortcut and option to name it. You can customize the name to whatever you want or leave it. Once you're happy with the name, just tap add in the top right corner. On Android, the process is similar but a little different. Let's take a look at that. Once you found the profile or video, tap the three dots in the upper right corner, then scroll and select add to home screen. Just like on iPhone, you'll be able to customize the name of the shortcut. And that's it. You've now got TikTok home screen shortcuts set up and ready to go.